everyone. MongoDB is hiring software engineering interns for 2025 in their Gurugram office. If you are graduating in 2027 and wanted a good internship in software engineering or data engineering, this opportunity is for you. This is a full-time 10-week internship from May to July, and work model is hybrid. You need to be in office 3 days a week. Eligible students must be pursuing a CS or related degree and should have strong knowledge in data structures, algorithms, and one programming language like Java, Python, Go, C++, or Node.js. MongoDB is hiring for 2 teams, like one of them is data pipeline engineering and the second one is data platform and infrastructure engineering. You will work with real engineers, get mentorship, and contribute to meaningful projects. This internship gives a lot of exposure to backend system, data engineering, modern infrastructure, and industry level coding standards. If you are aiming for top tech roles in the future, this is a strong addition to your resume. I have posted the complete details, responsibilities, skills required, internship benefits, and the official apply link on my website. And please do check the link in the description for full post and apply as soon as possible. I also updated my website daily with new fresh job openings and internships, so make sure you visit regularly. Thank you for watching and all the best for your application.